In today's video, I'll teach you how to enable sensitive content on Facebook. So first of all, open the Facebook application. You can see over here I've opened it. So if you want to enable the sensitive content, for that what you have to do is go to settings. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. After you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on this option settings and privacy that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, what you have to do is tap on this option settings. Now you'll be able to access the settings over here. Under the section for preferences, you'll be able to find this option for content preferences. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to access the settings related with content preferences over here. At second, you'll be able to find this option for sensitive content. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find two options over here. Default, show less. If show less option is selected, you'll not be able to see the sensitive content. But if you want to enable it, what you have to do is tap on this option default. Now after that, tap on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the sensitive content. Simply tap on this option OK. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you enable sensitive content on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.